Best way to do it is to come underneath. If you're looking underneath the car, right here's the steering column. That's the motor. Separate the motor from the steering column. This little part right here goes right inside here. This right here will give you the worst clicking noise. You'll swear to God you need a whole column, but that's not the case. Problem is that motor right here is really heavy and it sits right on top of the steering column. 3 bolts. One of the bolts is impossible to get to. You have to take the cluster out together. They're T30 Torx. You look at it, you take the column out, and there it is right there. This is what the old one looks like when you do it. That looks like shit. This is what the new part looks like. Remember, 2010 to 2014, Hyundai Sonatas. Steering wheel, clicking noise. Go ahead and do it. Take you a little time, but sure as hell don't have to change the whole fucking column. Little tech tip for today.